Hello, my name is Vanessa, and earlier this week I was running around doing errands, and I was like rocking a Home Depot bag and a Canadian Tire bag, and as much as I love those two stores, I realized I really need some cute tote bags. So I bought a set of 6 just blank canvas tote bags on Amazon, and now I'm just gonna paint on them and make them really cute. I love how all of these turned out. I think they're all so cute in their own right. The strawberry matches perfectly with this dress, so I'm definitely gonna be carrying this one today. I love how vivid and blue the blueberries turned out. Like, the colors are just perfect. The tomatoes, I think, is a personal fave. I think it's just so cute, and I just can't wait to wear it to the farmer's market. My little feta, my little cat. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this bag when I go do all of her errands. The olives, I just love the pink and the green. It's such a good color combo. And lastly, the beach umbrella is perfect for the beach because, I don't know, it's already kind of beat up compared to the other bags. If you like this tutorial and want to see more DIYs and crafts, please subscribe. My name is Vanessa, and let me know which bag's your favorite in the comments below. I'll see you later.